Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's behind almost everything we do online, computer science. So, what exactly is computer science? Well, let's find out. Imagine a world without computers. No smartphones, no internet, no streaming your favorite shows, and worst of all, no video games. Picture a day where you can't send a text, look up directions, or even tell your smart device to play music. It's almost impossible to fully grasp how dependent we've become on technology. Well, that's because computer science is the backbone of our digital lives. It's the invisible force that makes all of these amazing things possible. What exactly is computer science? Well, in simple terms, it's just the study of how computers work and how we can use them to solve problems. Think of it like a toolkit filled with the knowledge and skills needed to design, build, and improve the technology that we rely on every day. From creating apps that help us stay organized to designing complex algorithms that drive artificial intelligence, computer science is everywhere. And it's not just about programming either. It's about understanding the logic behind the technology, figuring out how to make computers do what we want, and finding new ways to make our lives easier and more exciting. Now, at its core, computer science is about understanding and designing algorithms. Okay. But then, what exactly is an algorithm? Well, you could think of an algorithm as a precise recipe or maybe a set of step by step instructions that tell a computer exactly what to do to solve a specific problem. Just like cooking recipes guide you through making a dish, an algorithm guides a computer through a series of logical steps to achieve a desired outcome. For example, if you want to sort a list of names alphabetically, an algorithm will define the exact process for comparing and arranging those names. If you're using a GPS to find the quickest route, the algorithm calculates the best path by analyzing distances and traffic data. Algorithms are everywhere in computer science. They're the hidden engine behind most everyday functions. They help filter your emails to keep spam out, recommend movies you might like, optimize delivery routes for your Amazon delivery, or even enable self-driving cars to navigate safely. Now, designing efficient algorithms is the real challenge because it directly affects how fast and effectively computers can solve problems. Better the algorithm, the quicker and more efficient the solution. Now, if you're still confused, don't worry. We'll be doing a deep dive into algorithms in a future video. Now, the field of computer science is huge, covers a lot of exciting areas. So let's take a closer look at some of the main branches. First off, the one that most people think about, programming. This is the art and science of writing code. Okay, so what is code? Well, it's just the instructions that tell computers what to do. You could think of programming as giving detailed commands to a computer so that it can perform some task, maybe a simple calculation, all the way up to complex simulations. Programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and C++ are tools that help us communicate with computers in a way that they understand. Whether creating a game, developing a website, or automating tasks, programming is the foundation that brings ideas to life through code. Next, we have hardware and software. These are the two main components of computers. Okay? Hardware refers to the physical parts, like the processor, memory, hard drive, motherboard, those things you can see and touch. Software is made up of the programs and the operating system that run on the hardware. You could think of hardware like the engine of a car and software as the driver who's telling the engine what to do. Understanding both is crucial because they work together to make computers functional and useful. Now that we have hardware and software figured out, we need a way to organize things. And this is where data structures come into the game. Imagine organizing your closet. Well, data structures are the digital equivalent of shelves and drawers that store your data efficiently. Common data structures are things like arrays, linked lists, trees, graphs. Choosing the right data structure can make a huge difference in how fast a program runs or how much memory it uses. And of course, the topic that everyone's talking about, artificial intelligence, or AI. And it can sound scary, but AI is really just teaching computers to mimic human intelligence. Things like chatbots that talk with customers, voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, or the recommendation system on Netflix or Amazon. These are all made possible with AI. AI combines a bunch of different things like machine learning, natural language processing, and even robotics sometimes. And it uses all of this to develop systems that can adapt, improve, and, do things only people could do before. But this is another topic that we'll be digging into in a future video. Now, have you ever wondered how your favorite app and devices actually work? How social media platforms can instantly connect millions of people across the globe, or how online banking keeps your money safe and accessible? Well, the answer is all rooted in this incredible field of computer science. It's the driving force behind countless everyday technologies. It enables the development of mobile apps that help you stay organized, communicate, and even entertain yourself. It powers search engines that find answers in milliseconds. It's what's behind the algorithm that personalizes your recommendations on platforms like YouTube or Spotify. And they make sure that you get the content that you're going to enjoy, or most likely enjoy. But the impact of computer science extends way beyond entertainment and social connection. In medicine, it helps doctors diagnose diseases more accurately through imaging and data analysis. And it even powers robotic surgeries that can perform very delicate procedures. In transportation, computer science makes self-driving cars possible by processing just enormous amounts of data from sensors and cameras so that you can navigate safely through traffic. So, from smart homes that adjust your temperature automatically to complex systems that monitor climate change, computer science is woven into nearly every aspect of our lives, making the impossible possible and constantly pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve. So, why does all of this matter? Well, computer science isn't just about programming. It's fundamentally about solving real-world problems and unlocking new opportunities. At its heart, the field is about applying logical thinking, creativity, and innovation to address challenges across all areas of life. Whether it's developing sustainable energy solutions, improving healthcare, or creating more efficient transportation systems. Computer science provides the tools and methods to make a positive impact. Computer science is a dynamic and ever evolving field. New breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, quantum computing, cybersecurity, and data sciences are constantly emerging, shaping the way we live, work, and interact. This constant innovation opens up a world of exciting opportunities for anyone interested in making a difference. Whether as a software developer, data analyst, cybersecurity expert, researcher, or even as an entrepreneur. Now, looking ahead, the future of computer science is incredibly bright, and it's full of exciting innovations. Breakthroughs like quantum computing promise to revolutionize the way we process information, solve complex problems, and perform calculations that are virtually impossible with today's computers. Meanwhile, virtual reality and augmented reality are transforming how we experience entertainment, education, and even work. From immersive gaming worlds to virtual classrooms and remote collaborations, these technologies are making digital experiences more lifelike and interactive than ever before. But the possibilities don't stop there. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, cybersecurity, blockchain are continuously expanding what's possible, opening up new fields, creating new opportunities that we haven't even imagined yet. That's a quick overview of what computer science is all about. It's an exciting field that's shaping our world and opening up endless possibilities. So, if you found this video interesting and want to learn more about computers and technology, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights and fun explanations. I'd love to hear what tech topics you're curious about, so leave a comment below and let me know what you want to explore next. Whether it's how computers see and interpret information, how virtual reality works, or anything else. I'm here to help you understand it all. Thank you so much for watching. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive into how computers see information. Until then, take care and keep learning.